Hello and good morning. It is currently.
Good morning.
It's currently 4:20 in the morning, and if you can see that, well, you know.
Somebody couldn't sleep, and I was coughing my guts up, so we thought, I know, let's make a video.
Yeah, it's currently 4 in the morning. You see that kind of.
He couldn't sleep, like I said, and we thought, yeah. So yeah, we've come to a local reserve. Means a lot to me, this area does.
And you also may notice that there's only me and Raven today.
Yeah.
Dave is currently going through some, personal hard times. And yeah, that's all we're going to say on that. But
he'll be back with us very soon.
Yeah.
Anyway, I haven't brought much for me this time. I haven't brought all the gear or anything. Oh, I did bring a camera, but Dixie here forgot to charge it, and he's got to put the SD card in it. Well, he's got a new toy now anyway, so that's what we're using now.
Yeah. So just gonna make sure you can be able to see.
Here, your turn.
My turn. Okay, let me just sort the camera.
You're going to do the work, so I'll be coughing the guts up otherwise, and have to stop it for 2 fucking minutes. You know how to do them, don't you?
Yep.
I'm putting feet up now.
I know.
Alright, get yourself comfortable. Don't grip it too hard, just, yeah. Over to you.
Could you show what yes is, please?
Keep trying. Both rods, please. And if anyone says I've got no strings,
I'm not moving my hands at all.
no, I'm making sure he isn't. Thank you.
Could you please center the rods, please, after every question?
Yes, I know it's not me doing it. It's alright. He's an apprentice.
Could you show no, please?
Thank you.
Could you please recenter, please?
There's a lot of talking going on.
Do you know, it actually feels like something's pushing them.
Because there is. That's what I say, people. Oh, it's pieces of twig. I'm sorry.
We're using these, I'm going to remove them. We're using these sleeves, so we can't, manipulate them or move them in any way. And we just hold them.
And if people can strike gold with them and been using them for thousands of years, and they've been finding gold and oil with them, then they'll do for me.
Exactly.
And that's legit fact. So, okay, spirit people, I'm going to say people that are here, go easy on Robert. I'm helping him, but at the same time, keep it, how can I put it? Keep it like it was doing it with me, but do it with Rob.
Keep it within the lines.
Oh, hello.
Try your best.
Okay.
Are there anyone that wants to talk to us this morning?
Don't tell me, tell Rob. Relax. There you go.
Could you recenter the rods, please?
Now I'm going to ask a question. Good morning everyone, it's Verandas now. I know I can see you and things, but I can't. And for those who are watching on the channel, without me coughing my guts up, can you please answer me this question please through Rob? I know you're talking to me already, but I want you to be able to use the rods please. Are you a male? Are you male? Answer yes or no please. You won't harm him. Thank you. I know you are, but I want you to use the rods.
Could you please center them, please?
Try and take him off his stomach a bit. So he's basically tucking your elbows in like that. So you keep him nice and you relax, but at the same time you know, you keep him level. You'll get used to it. I'm sorry everyone, but I'm dosing myself up on Cavonia tablet thingy.
Cavonia cough sweet.
Yeah, go along with Saint Marshmallow.
Is it not Bartholomew's or some crap like that?
Don't ask me to repeat that. I end up barfing.
Or in your case, marshmallow.
Yeah.
Say Marshmallow Church.
Yeah. Just watch the video, you'll know what we're on about.
Well, we've done 2 episodes on that, of the Elveston Castle.
Oh, we've got company.
What, the police here?
I'm all decent.
Bloody flies.
Right, anyway. All joking aside. That's got. See, what I like to tell people as well.
The fly buzzing around me. Around my log hole.
Yeah. What I like to tell people as well, because spirit like you and I, living and whatever, we're just on a different realm, and they enjoy the good laugh as same as everyone else does. You know. You're right, chill, leave him alone.
It's a mozzie. Mosquito.
Here you go.
And I've had a couple of them will bite me. That's where all these bites are from. Mosquitoes.
Yeah, we've got to be careful in this time of year as well, because
the malaria in it.
We've got these foreign ones coming over. Damn foreigners! No offence to anyone that's American, sorry, I'm just being silly. Okay. So we'll work out about your mail. Help Rob please. So what you're going to feel, you can explain to them what you feel, because I'm old hand at it, so.
It just feels like something is pushing them. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain if they're not doing it themselves.
Yeah, well basically...
It's hard for other people to understand if you ain't doing it yourself.
Yeah, I mean, what it is, as a medium, witch or whatever, they tap into your energy as well as their own, and they make a link. It's like a piece of metal to a magnet, basically. And they will, come on, see?
I've got one crawling on the back of my leg. Scoot.
Well,
we're currently getting attacked by mosquitoes.
But it is their breakfast time.
Well, I know I'm a bit of a snack, but come on.
Alright, anyway. Spirit of laughing, actually. Okay. Over to you. You didn't think you'd be doing this.
It's actually 4 o'clock, gone 4 o'clock in the morning. Right,
Keep it up your stomach, keep it, because people say if you're breathing it's going to move them, yeah? See what I mean? So helps you breathe through your nose, not through your mouth, so helps the spirit as well. If you're tense, the spirit's going to go, oh shit, you know what's wrong. You just chill and go with it.
could you please point to where you are stood?
Keep trying, that's it. That's it, you're not going to harm him, you know that. Correct, you are. Thank you.
Could you please turn to them, please?
You're not getting freaked out, are you? There's a paranormal channel, but sometimes people get freaked out doing paranormal things.
Which then kind of defeats the purpose.
Spirit. Sorry, sir. I know you're telling me already, but I think you get the gist now, don't you? Does it annoy you when people ask for things to happen and you make it happen and they go off screaming? When people want to make contact with other, like yourself, does it bother you when they go off scared? Answer yes or no, please. Be honest. You're undecided. Okay. I take it you haven't.
You haven't really thought about it.
No. Well, I know when I died, I wanted that one. But there you go. I'm not going into that. But anyway, is there a lady here? That's a no.
Could you please turn them, please?
Make sure the rods, not you. So, sir, if you can make sure the rods are parallel, straight, please. Thank you. That's it. He's still learning, so he's still a bit. Yeah. Your questions.
Were you born in Derbyshire?
Oh, really? Good.
Could you please turn to them, please?
He is telling me where it was actually, was it? But I ask you, let you ask. Begins with CH.
CH?
In Derbyshire.
There's only two places I know that are Chaddeston and Charleston.
Derbyshire.
Chesterfield.
Correct. Ask him.
Was you born in Chesterfield?
Don't tell me, tell the rods. That's it. Try again. There you go.
It's a yes.
Thank you. You were telling me, weren't you? Okay. I know. Does the little boy that's here belong to you? No. Okay. There's a little boy here, so I can. He's just standing over there. Okay. You can talk to me in a minute. Wait your time. So, your turn. You can ask a while.
Were you married?
Very nice. He doesn't want to scare you. He knows you, even though you put your brave face on, you wouldn't have everything. He knows. It's alright, you're not going to bother him. He's got to learn.
I'm going to move in a minute.
Good. See, I don't mean sound condescending, but we always say when we're going to move the rods, because you'll get people saying, "Oh no, it's you done this, you done that." You know, like, well, you know.
Into my legs and all.
In fact, I've got an idea. Yes, I know it's like well, it's not even 5 o'clock yet, I don't think. But
I don't know.
whatever it is, it's early. Well, I'm not been to sleep yet.
Well, neither of us have.
No. And we don't live
4:36.
together either, for anyone gets any ideas.
I know we only do that on the side, don't we?
Hello. But anyway, perhaps in a future video, if someone wants to leave in the comments any questions they'd like the answer to prove that these things are real, yeah, if like a live video or something, we could do like a question and answer thing with Spirit. Yeah. I'll be or you, well, hopefully by then you'll be a bit more efficient, as in, you know, more used to it. And we could do a set each. So I've got another set of rods, or I can make them anyway. And yes, as usual, when we're recording, some airplane goes over.
Yeah. Because it just wouldn't be a TDE video without a fucking aeroplane.
Nope. Or
I tell you what, we should, or a farm. I tell you what, we should be sponsored by East Midlands Airport.
and roses.
I mean, your car can't be as worse as that fucking thing over there.
Want to bet hang around for a few seconds.
I mean, the fart I did earlier was like,
Oh no, he's clever. He's got a symphony in his arse.
yeah, they're really, you know.
Tooty.
Yeah.
They're getting torn. Okay.
Also, this camera will only let me record up to 20 minutes, so there will be a small cut in the next minute or so.
Yeah.
So yeah, in other words, well, actually, we'll actually cut it here, and we'll see you in a minute.
Back.
We're back. In a different angle this time.
Yes.
Yeah, we're just still recording our outdoor, you know, shenanigans.
And luckily, mind you, I'm not saying luckily, you'll get told, so we will anyway. But anyway, go on then, that gentleman's still here. And I'm going to do the
recorder doofer.
Yeah, I'm going to I'll leave it down here somewhere. I'll leave it on the ground here.
So all the ants and everything like that can have a little talk and all.
Yeah, you know, we get some DJs down there, you know.
DJ Ant.
We get Ant and Deck.
Mm.
Penny will drop. Right.
And Deck.
Right, ready? Okay, sir, if you'd like to talk to us, do you want to ask a question first? I'm going to go recording now.
Do you think we're crazy being out here at almost 5 o'clock in the morning?
Wow.
It's not the only one.
That confirms it. Even they think we're nuts.
Do you think we should be going to sleep by now? Yes.
Can you confirm it in the box, please, as well? Or talking to the camera, even.
Talking to the oddly shaped thing that's on top of the camera.
Can you confirm if you've spoken into any of these devices? Thank you. Can you point the rods? Oh, sorry, straighten the rods, please. Straighten the rods. I know you know what I'm going to ask next, but right, thank you. Which device did you talk into? The camera or the thing down here on the floor? Can you point to it, please? Which one you spoke to? Make it clear, please.
Well, no, that could be pointing down the middle as in the camera.
Yeah, it could be. Okay. Alright, well, might pick you up on that as well. Okay, we'll play that back. We've got 2 minutes worth there. Right. Hang on. I didn't think of this the last time I was out.
The speaker.
Yes, it does a lot of speaking. Until I've not had any sleep.
Yeah, what is sleep? I'm asking the wrong person.
Yep.
Remember which one to put it in.
I know, I have to get a torchlight these days. Alright.
I'm gonna hit up what you call it, the airport, and say, can you please sponsor us? Because every time I saw them filming, you seem to fly a plane over. No matter where we are, even at Elston Castle.
Yep.
There's always a sodding plane.
Right, I'm gonna crank this up.
So this is where I'm just gonna add some elevator music while the plane's going over.
Piss off! No, not the spirit, sorry, not the the thing in the oh, whatever.
The metal thing.
There's a big tin can up there with wings.
the Heinz bean can.
Well, it might have been at one point.
Probably. Yeah, because it's metal, isn't it?
Right, okay, we'll play this back.
Probably made from somebody's washing machine and all.
Oh, we'll leave it there.
Your washing machine's made a debut as a plane.
Yeah, he went flying out the cupboard and he's going to flying out the fucking sky now. Right, here we go.
Let's play through that.
That's weird, I'm not supposed to do that. That's crap, isn't it?
No, it's in the wrong hole.
I know that's doing very well. Right.
And they usually have that problem.
You can't know me telling, Doc. Anyway, moving on.
when you can't see any holes of gold. Oh shit, that's your nostril.
Well, when you're soaking it fire, you don't look at the mantelpiece. But anyway, unless you're multi-talented. Anyway,
the thing is, none of this stuff with this shit we're just spraffing just ain't gonna get cut out. It's gonna be 40 odd minutes.
Well,
With 40 odd minutes of me and you just spraffing a load of shit.
oh, entertaining, whatever. Alright.
I mean, as long as somebody.
This is dedication, by the way. This ungodly hour of the morning.
Mm.
Right.
And especially me spending £200 of my own hard-earned, not really, of my money on a camera. If that doesn't show dedication, I don't know what will.
There you go. Straight away.
All I can smell is like one of them barbecues.
Hear that?
I said yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all there. You can't what I do is I'll oh, excuse me. Now I've got my computer kind of working. I'll clean this up and I'll play it back to you now. But you'll just hear the birds and everything. But there is actual. Well, you heard it yourself, haven't you? I mean, on here. I mean, I'll play a bit now, but
you have to put near the microphone.
Can you confirm if you've spoken into any of these devices?
oh, that's quite clear.
Mm.
Well, sorry about that. Like I say, it goes on for 2 minutes. So what I do is I'll cut out all the irrelevant noise and I'll put it into an audio file. I'll play it over with your video.
And any like pictures or whatever it will either be put in in the video.
Yeah.
So I finally figured out how to do it. Or
Yeah.
they'll be posted on our Facebook page.
Yeah. Or Instagram.
Or Instagram.
Or free even.
Mm.
Anyway.
Or on our OnlyFans. Like, have you seen the amount of money people can make off that?
Well, last time I was standing in the corner, I didn't make that much.
Literally, people get like tens of thousands of pounds for just, you know, showing off the dangly bits and, you know. I mean, well, to be honest,
It's a dangly bit, it's not bangles.
I mean, I've resorted to that sometimes. I mean, I've thought about it. Resorted to that to get
okay,
the money.
moving on.
You know, on Twitch, there's these hot tub streamers. They just get people sitting in fucking hot tubs on an inflatable of some sort, with the drawing on it with a pen, or drawing on themselves, and people get famous from it. I mean, if that's what I have to do to get famous, I will fucking do it. I will sit in a hot tub with a mankini if I have to. No, I might get taken down, but whatever.
A what?
A mankini. Or a cheese grater for a man. I swear to fucking God, these planes. This video is sponsored by DHL. Or fucking DPD, or whatever you want to call the bastards. me do it. Do DPD have a plane?
Yes, they do, I think. We'll take it as yes. Anyway, okay, right.
I think Herm should change their name to DPD.
Herpes.
Yeah. I think they should change their name to DPD because it stands for, well, I say DPD stands for Don't Properly Deliver.
Yep, and the new, well, it's not a new one, really. I'm teaching some of the old ones to him. UFO, not unidentified flying object.
Useless fucking object.
Correct, he's learning. He's done his homework. Right.
Until you go up to something and you're in UFO. Do it.
You're doing it.
Okay.
My day off.
You're on strike.
Oh dear. I need to
Should
get
be sponsored by California Sweets.
Don't worry, people. It's a pocket.
It's not got a hole on the inside fondling with himself.
Actually, we'll do a bit more of this and then we'll do some good old necrophonic.
Or what we like to call it, necrophilia.
Necrophilia. That's for the private channel.
that's for the
members only.
That's for the PH channel. The PH.com.
Moving on.
The thing is, I ain't gonna cut all this out. It's just too funny.
Oh, that's one went down. What? Okay.
Right.
Left.
Up down.
Oh.
Enough to put your arse cheeks in.
Your turn. You can ask the questions. I'm just going to sit here looking pretty.
Also, if you haven't noticed, we're wearing merch. Yeah. You've got the original, the very first one we ever made.
Yeah.
And the only one that was ever made. And I've got the new one.
The tarty one.
The one with the fancy Shenanigens links on it. So when people are walking behind me, they can stare at my booty at the same time.
Well, that's what I thought of doing it with me until I realised they'd got a name on their back. Damn, I was so disappointed. Anyway, now we've got the engine raised.
I mean, if a woman wears it, right, then that gives you an excuse to look at their backside.
Yeah.
Why are we so energetic at 5 o'clock in the
I don't
morning?
know, we're fucking mad. Oh,
Oh,
dude, I talk to dead people, what more do you want?
That's true.
No offence anyone, but yeah.
But actually, what time is it? It is 5:02 in the morning.
What the fuck is that? At 5:02 in the morning making that noise?
To me, that sounds like a gun going off. The gun club won't be open.
Gun club is shut. Well, either someone's getting broken into at school, or
Terrorists.
terrorist.
Terrorists.
Oh, the birds are fucked. Alright, go on then.
Anyway. Oh fuck.
Well, that proves it, we're not... Well, we're not, I'm not
Well,
going
that's how short they are. And that's when it goes in.
Well, you know.
Yeah. Anyway. How are we doing? We're going to get serious and...
Well, we did have spirit on this. I think we went that way now.
And they've all fucked off that way.
Sorry. I'm trying not to laugh.
We'll have to cut it here again, because, you know, it only lets me record up to 20 minutes as I already
Well, it's
said.
anything, you have a laugh of it.
I'm recording.
Okay, on a bit more serious note, now we're back. We're going to do a bit more...
I wonder how long that's going to last.
Yeah. I think it's adrenaline or something, but anyway.
I mean, the people are probably thinking we're on some sort of drugs.
Alright, pheasant.
The pheasant's trying to call us out.
Yeah.
This just proves I can just swing them round. And I hold them still, and I point them down, so, you know.
Well, you see what I do, you know. Okay, there's a man still here. I'd like to tell you your name if you can, but I'm not going to spend long doing it more now, unless you can come through on the app. Are you going to talk to us through the Necrophonic app? You heard that?
It sounded like a fart brewing. That's all I heard was from you.
No, it wasn't me. He's trying to talk to us. Okay.
We said yeah anyway.
Keep trying. Okay. That's a yes. Can you straighten the rods, please? Is that you we just heard? Is that you we just heard trying to talk to us?
Yeah.
Can you make it a bit more prominent, please? Thank you. We know you're not a circus actor or anything, we just... Well, hopefully that we heard that on video, if not we'll try and enhance it. Thank you. Okay. Well, since Rob wasn't expecting doing these today, we'll give him a break, I think. So, thank you very much. Necrophonic. Necropholic.
Necro what?
Necropholic.
Oh.
Okay, everyone. This gentleman that's been with us, which very kindly tried to talk to us just then, can you come through and tell me your name, please?
Done by Dom. Sound like he said I'm scared.
Hey?
It sounded like he said I'm scared.
There's no need to be scared. Correct.
Is he what?
See, right, what I like to do, what I suggest you do as well, is instead of leaving it randomly spilling out, ask a question, then give it a chance. It does take energy for a spirit to come through with a person. I'm trying to stop using the word spirit because it's not very, even though technically they are spirits, but they're people. You're on a different realm. So, you know, I know you see more than around me than most people do, people, but you don't need to be frightened. We're not going to harm you. Just come forward. And our number 2 brothers are here. And other friends. But could you please come through and tell me your name, the lady that's here, please? What's your name, please, lady? Debbie. Hello, Debbie. Is there anything you'd like to tell us, Debbie? Yeah, we can hear you. How many are here?
Four.
What's standing next to me now? Who can you see standing next to me?
R.I.P. Heard R.I.P. Heard R.I.P.
He's a bug. Okay, that's close enough.
There's a helicopter that does.
You hear what we just said?
That ain't gonna catch you.
If any spirit or any person here, or well, what we're talking to now, fancy a little job to do, can you go up to that thing in the sky and scare the shit out of it? Because it keeps fucking flying across.
About the 3rd plane in the space of half an hour.
Don't cause an accident now, just, well, you know.
No, but just tell them to get to film.
It can put it down to altitude sickness. Anyway, who is it? The human spirit that's here. The human spirits that are here. Is there anything you'd like to tell us that some of them might be watching now? Because I know you can tell the future and things. So if there's anything going to be anybody in the people we know or anyone you know or anyone like that, if there's a message for them, can you say their name and something significant that they'll only know about, or something that to verify it's you that's coming through, or you know, because we like to do things like that sometimes, because there's a lot of people out there that have still got their heads up their asses and stuck in the sand, saying that these things don't exist when they do. And the US government have just recently started to cough up saying that yes, there's such thing as UFOs and things, even though they're still being tight-lipped about it because they're shitting themselves. Anyway, so if there's anything you'd like to tell us, if there's a name, I know you're telling me now, they keep telling me a name. I know you're telling me, but you have to tell me use that thing. Raven. Thank you. Hello. Welcome.
I hope you guys enjoyed this morning's video. It was just a little last minute thing that we decided to do. So yeah, and this is just going to be a short outro. So yeah, I hope all of you enjoyed. There's another video coming out tomorrow. I think it was the one at Elveston Castle. I'm not sure, can't remember. But anyway, there's going to be a video coming out tomorrow, and then another one on the 9th of July. So yeah, I hope all of you guys enjoyed, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and put on post notifications so you get notified when we post, and yeah, also buy our merch, that'll be down in the description. So yeah, peace.